What is Mojo? If you're like me, you've never heard of it until just now. So, what is it? Mojo is a new programming language from the creator of Swift, geared towards solving the major pain points of overly complex ML and AI infrastructure. It's meant to be paired with the Modular engine, which offers a new modular compute and AI infrastructure stack. Modular is also the name of Chris Lattner's new company. So, Mojo is actually part of a package deal. Modular is the infrastructure stack, and Mojo is the programming language that pairs very nicely with it. Mojo specifically is a superset of C Python, or it at least hopes to be, which means it adds some extra features on top. And they plan to support the entire Python ecosystem. So if you're a Python developer working in ML or AI, you should definitely keep your eye on Mojo. Mojo has two main selling points: the ease of use of Python, specifically its simplicity, popularity, and ecosystem, and two, its speed. It claims to achieve the speeds of C, C++, and the safety of Rust. How does it do this? Well, some of the sugar that Mojo adds to Python is around type checking to optimize things that are normally not optimizable with the flexibility of a dynamically typed language Python normally offers. For example, say you have an int. Mojo adds in a struct concept, which they're saying is similar to classes. It can have methods and it can have properties, and it adds in types based on structs. So instead of an int with a lowercase I, you would use the uppercase I on the int, and you'd get access to Mojo's new, faster, more precise int. Having used Python here and there for small projects, I'm excited to see how I could use Mojo to get faster code that's as easy to use as Python. Really excited to see where Mojo goes. It's actually in a closed invite-only beta opportunity right now, which I just got access to, so stay tuned for a follow-up video on it from within the playground itself. As always, I'll put the link in the description. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.